If you're looking to take your home theater experience to the next level, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 3 best soundbars for projectors that'll make your movie nights and gaming sessions sound absolutely epic. The JBL Bar 5.0 is a powerhouse soundbar that delivers an impressive home theater experience. Featuring Dolby Atmos and multi-beam surround sound, it creates an immersive 3D audio environment with a wide soundstage, making you feel like you're in the middle of the action. The inclusion of 4 passive radiators ensures punchy bass without the need for a separate subwoofer, providing robust and deep sound. Certified for humans, it simplifies setup with Alexa, making it a breeze for non-experts. Additionally, Dolby Vision and 4K pass-through guarantee pristine video quality. With AirPlay, Alexa multi-room music, and Chromecast built-in, streaming your favorite content is seamless and effortless. Overall, the JBL Bar 5.0 combines advanced features and user-friendly functionality, offering both outstanding sound and video performance for your home entertainment system. The Bose Solo 5 is a compact yet powerful soundbar designed to enhance your TV audio experience effortlessly. This all-in-one TV sound system comes with everything you need: a universal remote control, a power cord, an optical digital audio cable, and a coaxial digital audio cable. The soundbar connects seamlessly to your TV via its Lightning connector, providing clear and balanced audio that enriches your viewing. The Solo 5's straightforward setup and intuitive controls make it an excellent choice for those seeking simplicity without sacrificing sound quality. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing games, the Bose Solo 5 delivers an improved audio experience that brings your content to life. With its sleek design and easy installation, it's a great way to upgrade your home entertainment system. The Polk Audio Signa S4 is an advanced ultra-slim soundbar that brings an exceptional audio experience to your home theater. Its 7-driver array, featuring a dedicated full-range center channel and a 5.9-inch wireless subwoofer, delivers true 3D surround sound with Dolby Atmos 3.1.2 certification, creating a wide soundstage and deep bass. The soundbar's upfiring speakers, alongside L/, are tweeters and racetrack mid-drivers, utilize Atmos height channels to provide immersive 3D sound that envelopes you from above. Polk's exclusive voice adjust technology, combined with the S4's center channel, allows you to customize voice levels for crystal-clear dialogue, ensuring you never miss a word. Additionally, bass adjust technology lets you fine-tune the bass for maximum impact. At just 2.36 inch tall, the Signa S4 fits seamlessly into most setups without obstructing your TV's screen or remote sensor. With its one-cable setup, it's compatible with any TV, including the latest 8K Ultra HD models. This soundbar offers excellent sound quality and value, making it a superb addition to any home theater system.